Hi everyone. Today my tutorial is going to have to do with video creating and editing. The reason I chose to do my tutorial on this is because with distance learning being more and more prevalent, as teachers, we're not only going to be asked to put together a lesson plan, but we're also going to be asked to create content. And oftentimes we do use, other people's videos. Um, but the reason I got this idea was because oftentimes we'll find a video that we like, um, and then we'll get the link or we show the video to the class, and we always say oh, it's a 10-minute video, but I'm just gonna show you this little clip because that's the only part that's relevant to what we're learning. Um, and that's why I decided to do this, because it's happened to me where I find something I like and it's a 10-minute video, but I only need to show like a minute and a half. But I hate doing that. I hate saying, oh, we're going to stop it here. Or in this case, let's say you find three separate videos, but within the three separate videos, you find like a minute or a 45-minute segment within those videos that you want to attach all together. This is where this tutorial is going to come in handy. So what I like to do is, for instance, let's say I was teaching US history, and I wanted to show a little clip from Crash Course, because in history classes, not all the kids want to just read and then discuss what they read, because not all students learn the same. So sometimes you want to show a video to change up the pace. And so let's say I wanted to use just 1 minute of this Crash Course video. I would just use this website called YMP4 Download. And it's a free downloader. The only reason you would have to pay is if you wanted to up the quality, which is unnecessary because the quality is pretty good. And as long as you cite the video that you got it from, you'll be fine. But so I go to this website, YMP4 Download, and then it'll open up like this, and then I'll go back to the video from YouTube that I wanted to use, and I'll just get the address bar, click it, copy and paste the address, and then go back to the YMP4 page and then paste that. Oh wait, did I do that right? Okay, and then go back to the YMP4, paste that into the bar here, and then just hit go. And then it'll automatically open up another page. You can go ahead and quickly exit out of that, go back to this page, and then just whatever quality you want. But just those are if you want to pay. But right here, just download video, and then again it'll open up another page. Just exit out of that page, and then within seconds the video downloads. And then I have a MacBook, so it opens up on QuickTime. I'm not sure if Microsoft has that, but you no doubt have a video program to open it up on. So just open up on any of those, and then for this one I can just go to edit, trim, and then trim out that minute and a half that I want of the 13 minutes, and then voila. And then you can either re-upload that onto YouTube, or you can I use iMovie to attach it to whatever other clips you want, and then you can re-upload that into YouTube, and then just don't forget to cite. So yeah, that's my little quick tutorial. Hopefully it comes in handy one day. Thanks.